Hello, in this video we're going to be going over derivatives of the base e functions. It's quite simple here. For any function f of x where we equal e to the x, then f prime of x is equal to the derivative of the exponent itself times e to the x. So let's go through some problems here. I want you to find the derivative of first e to the 5x, e to the 3x squared times 5x to the third, and then this final one here, kind of trickier, e to the sine squared 7x squared. Alrighty, well, let's get started with the easiest one, number one. Hopefully this isn't too bad, but let's get right into it. We're going to take the derivative of, because we need to find the derivative first, of the exponent. That's just 5x, right? So 5e to the 5x is what f prime of x is equal to, right? We brought down the exponent, took the integral of that, or sorry, the derivative of that, and then we just kept this the same. You don't do the -1 part. Oh, well, there goes the cap to that. Okay, but number two here, we have a more complex kind of problem. Let's bring down our exponent and find the derivative. So we need to find the derivative of 3x squared and 5x to the third. And if you recall, this here is product rule. Product rule states that we just take the normal function, or two terms multiplied together to find the derivative. We take this one, times it by the derivative of that, and then vice versa. So 5x to the third, that's 15x squared for the derivative of that, and then we just add that to the derivative of this, just times that. So 5x to the third times, what would that be, 6x. All right, now we just simply add together. So this is 3 times 15, 45, add the exponents, 45x to the fourth, adding on 5 times 6, that is 30. 30x to the fourth, that gives us an overall, and let me bring the screen down a tad just in case we run out of room here. That's gonna give us, why can I not do mental math, 75x to the fourth. Okay, so that's what we're bringing down in front. So I'll actually just keep it going here. E to the 3x squared, 5x to the third. Okay, so that there is that function. Quite simple, hopefully. For number three, it gets a little more intensive, so I'm actually going to move us over here so we can do this problem. But notice those two, we followed the rule here, we're going to do the exact same. So let us begin. We need to find the derivative of sine here, of sine. So we'll actually write this out in its own regard of sine 2 of 7x squared. So we want to find the derivative of that. Now remember from the last video that we had, we brought the 2 down, so that was 2 sine of 7x squared. We're going to take the derivative of sine itself, so that's cosine of 7x squared. And then we take the derivative of the inside, so that's 7 times 2, which is 14, and that's just simply x because we get rid of one of the exponents. 14 times 2, 28. 28x sine of 7x squared, and then cosine of 7x squared. Okay, so that there is what we bring down in front. So we will actually, I have some room over here, so I'll actually do that. And then e sine squared of 7x squared. So that's the derivative of that function. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was derivatives with the base e. We'll look at natural log next.